Typhoon Soudelor continues to close in on the island of Taiwan, about 650 miles to the east-southeast. It is probably going to strengthen before it gets there about 24 hours from now, with the worst of the weather likely being south of Taipei. Let's model it out and show you where the worst of the wind and the weather will be, likely crossing the central part of the island in about 24 hours, but still some damaging winds and potentially some flash flooding across parts of the northern island of Taiwan, including Taipei, before it moves on off toward the west across the mainland thereafter. Let's look at the official forecast from the Joint Typhoon Warning Center. Shows you that it brings it up to 180 or 190 kilometer per hour typhoon before striking Taiwan, so perhaps strengthening a little bit from where it is now before it weakens over the higher terrain and the complex terrain of the island, and then moving on into the mainland thereafter. Again, heavy rain, perhaps up to 50 centimeters, maybe even more than that, especially in localized valleys with the complex mountainous areas releasing a lot more water vapor than would otherwise on a flat terrain. So what we're dealing with is a lot of flash flooding potentially throughout the island, all the way from the north to the south, and that will likely be all over in about 48 hours. So stay tuned for all the latest. We'll have all the updates on this developing situation.